Kyk jy, voor mense nou van my gaat sê, wat gaat sy daar niks sê oor tap out, gaat sy daar niks sê oor tap out, sy in tap out is mos brasse. So I'm gonna make a video, but this is gonna be my video. Ek was gemos. Ek het 'n klomp kakkan gevang. In fact, ek vang nog actually nog hier en daar nog 'n klomp kakkan. And you won't necessarily see it on social media. I don't necessarily make a video about me smoking weed as an example. And ek is perfect. Do I agree with what the allegations is? Kyk, ek het nie bewys daarvoor net het met my gebeur nie. Right? Do I agree with it? Hell no. Hell no. Net soos ek mense uitkool op hulle gejolery en ty, as hy my bra is, en ek vind uit sy jol, dan gaan ek vir jou check. Right? That is why a lot of people will not have that conversations with me. Ek het nie gesels met mense nie. Ek het nie gesels met mense van, joh my broer, ek het met die kind gesit, because mense weet, die type conversation, ek entertain nie conversation nie. So, if it comes out tomorrow, that one of my prasse was joling, sy kan het glo, ek het nie geweet nie. Because why? Sulke conversations vul nie in my circles nie. Right? But I will say this. Right? One, mense is nie perfect nie. Mense vang hulle kakkan. Right? En mense vang hulle kakkan thinking that they will never get caught. And indeed they do. Net soos ek in my past kakkan gevang het en ek was gevang. Of ek was miskien ook eers gevang. So, ek kan nie ou condemn man. Verstaan jy? Ek sal nie ou condemn. Ek kan vir julle stryd sê dat as ek in 'n conversation gewees het en in 'n company gewees het en ek het uitgevind dat dinge gebeur. Right? Dan sal ek dit adres met hy persoon directly. Okay? Soos wat ek nou uiteindelik uitvind die cocaine story. Baie mense gebruik cocaine. Baie mense wat ek eers gedink het die indulge in die cocaine. So ek kan nie na hulle toe gaan en vir hulle sê, ja, sy moet die cocaine gebruik. Mense wat cocaine gebruik is 'n klomp gemoste en al die dinge, because daar was 'n tyd wat ek ook my nuus aan die cocaine gesit het. Verstaan jy? So, based op daai, moet ek baie versigtig wees hoe ek dinge adres. En som van julle, en ek sal dit sommer nou ook adres, som van julle sal sien, Isaiah is nie meer by ons nie. Isaiah is by sy ma. My oudste seun is by sy ma. His life is not going the way I planned it to go at all. At all. He dropped out of university. He's mixing with the wrong friends. He's making the worst of decisions that a boy his age can make. It's to the point where ek is besig om te prepare vir my oudste seun se funeral. Mentally. Because the choices he's making only have one outcome, is death. So, and as a pa, I don't feel guilty. I don't feel bad. Because I know that I raised him right. Hy het hier by my groot geword, hy het onder my rules groot geword, hy het onder my example groot geword. So, from that side, ek is sad vir die choices wat hy maak. But it is his choices. I can only advise him. Ek kan hom nie eens meer gaan slaan nie. Because why? Hy's al 20 jaar oud al. So if you guys see him and you feel you want to have a chat with him, have a chat with him. Right? But what that lesson is teaching me is children can come out of a good home and they can still make bad decisions. It is not the parents' fault. Okay? And that can be a lesson to me. Verstaan jy? Vir iemand wat ook sê, ja, die kinders die en die kinders die, and now it's happening to me. Right? And that's my lesson that I must learn. The problem that I have is mense wat hulle verlekker in ander mense se val. So now you have people playing voice notes and having scriptures on their videos. And guys, Ek noem nie name nie because this is not an attack on the person. This is just an example of what I've seen. Right? Mense wat nou scriptures wil quote en voice notes wil speel en amper soos, ja, jou tyd het nog gekom, kyk hoe vals hy. Ne? Mense wat hulle verlekker in die val van ander mense. That is the problem that I have. So daar gaan mense op die video wees wat gaan sê, ja, goed so vir hom. Goed so vir hom, en hy het mos baie gehet om te sê wat ander mense se kinders en nou gebeur het met sy kind. The problem is not what I said about other people's children. The problem is not the fact that my child is now making poor choices in life. Because I must love that reality. The problem is dat sy vir jou verlekker in. En sy in jou hart sê, goed so wat hy. Goed so, because die Bible sê, bla bla bla. Die feit dat Tap Out kak aangevang het, of daar is stories dat hy kak aangevang het. Hy is Tap Out sy walk wat hy moet walk. Protect your heart. Laat jy nie jouself verlekker in die man se val, of in die man se stumble. Because net soos het met hom kan gebeur, jy wat nou amper soos goed so, kyk wat gebeur met die mense wat die Here spot en al die dinge. What if there's a lesson for you as well one day? That is what ek kan sê. Because I can tell you now, the God that I serve is a merciful God. The God that I serve is a God that gives you grace. And what we need to do as people is be able to give mercy and grace to people and love. That is the example what Jesus for us geset het. Because when the people wanted to stone that lady that committed adultery, she did sin. Jesus didn't use the opportunity to make a sermon and preach to the people about their sins and hoe hulle lewe moet reg lewe, even though he was the perfect one. He wrote on the ground, he without sin cast the first stone. So be very, very, very careful. If you condemn people, be very, very, very careful. If you write people off and if you weaponize the scriptures en vir jou verlekker wanneer dit nie goed gaan met die next persoon nie. Ek kan my hand op my hart slaan en sê, wow, perhaps I was too hard on some parents because it's now happening to me. A good child that was raised in a good household with all the opportunities. En hy's nou 'n gangster nou. Of hy wil 'n gangster wees. Hy hang met gangsters. Hy vang goedes aan wat gangsters aanvang. And you know what they say? If it walks like a dog, and it barks like a dog, and it pisses like a dog, it is a dog. So I am the first one to say, understand, eh? It's happening to me. But and now I can advise the next person to say, moet jy nou kom met, ja, die Here het jy gespot wat jy, en die woord sê die, en die woord sê die nie, because niemand is perfect. Niemand is perfect. Ne? Moet nie vir jou verlekker in die next persoon se stumble, because I will finish with this. That might become his biggest testimony one day. Because I can tell you now, Jesus didn't come for the saved. He came for the lost. Vir jou wat so scriptures quote, vir jou wat so die Bybel, die Here sal die gespot visie en al die dinge. Be very, very, very careful that God doesn't decide to make of your life an example. Ne? Dat is al wat ek sê. It's okay, sy kan die mense uitkak, sy kan hulle uitskiel, sy kan hulle reghoek help as sy kan. But moet jou nie verlekker in die next persoon se stumble. That's all I want to say about that.